The cryptocurrency world is constantly growing, with new coins seemingly popping up every day. One of the more recent names on the block is Loopring, which has seen some massive growth over the last few months. But what is LRC? How does it work? Is it a worthy investment? Keep on watching this video to find out all about it. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what LRC is. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Loopring is an Ethereum-based second-layer protocol that enables anyone to create responsive DEXs. It offers a variety of powerful tools, protocols, and infrastructures to streamline DEX creation and operation. Notably, it was the first protocol to leverage the second-layer advancements made by introducing the ZK rollup protocol on Ethereum. Here's why Loopring continues to find new users daily. Loopring is one such protocol that majorly emphasizes scalability. Also, practically speaking, the transactions tend to become more plentiful with more and more participants in the Ethereum network. As a matter of fact, without having any proper means or channels to process these transactions, they can cause massive congestion in the pipeline, thus increasing the transaction fee significantly. Loopring seems like an intriguing option to investors and traders who are looking to avoid high prices. Furthermore, the said protocol focuses on incentivizing a global network of users to operate a platform known to allow the development and creation of new types of crypto asset exchanges. Being one of the few emerging protocols for decentralized finance, Loopring is said to use multiple virtual currencies, including its own native utility token, LRC, to provide for the platform. Loopring claims its platform will allow exchanges built on top of it to sidestep the high costs and slower speeds associated with decentralized exchanges on the popular Ethereum network by using a completely new type of cryptography known as zero-knowledge rollups or ZK rollups. Loopring was built to relieve the market from various problems it currently faces. One of the main problems that Loopring addresses is scalability. Currently, Ethereum is in the middle of record congestion. This network traffic has driven gas fees through the roof. Unfortunately, Ethereum was built to increase fees based on network congestion as a means to reduce spam. However, it's not spam causing this congestion. It's a recent influx in DeFi platforms and more. By integrating zero-knowledge, rollups Loopring can provide the benefits of its centralized exchange and the security and freedom of a DEX. The technical layout of Loopring enables it to provide trades at a fraction of the cost of Ethereum directly. As such, the network serves a vital role as a gas-free lane for users to deposit and withdraw Ethereum-based assets. Notably, its fee structure can go as low as 1/100th of an Ethereum transaction cost. For developers creating complex dApps, this savings can be the difference between usability and outrageous fees. The protocol relies on the ring miners to fulfill the necessary tasks. Ring miners together with order rings help execute orders in exchange for rewards. The Loopring Layer 2 app is a non-custodial exchange that supports automated market makers and order book exchange models. It also has a payment platform built on the Loopring protocol. This trading platform allows users to cross-exchange many digital assets. The Loopring DEX offers secure trading at high speed and with no transaction fees. The Loopring protocol allows batching the orders received and communicating them off-chain to various exchanges. Both centralized and decentralized exchanges can use the Loopring platform, which is convenient for traders too, who can easily check the prices for their digital assets across the market. This also creates liquidity across the many Ethereum exchanges. Often called an agnostic platform, Loopring can be easily integrated with any smart contract platform. All trades are grouped in blocks that are stored off-chain in the Merkle tree. Any change in the state of the tree can be verified on-chain by generating a ZK proof using a circuit. The operator is responsible for creating and committing blocks to the Merkle tree. The main idea behind Loopring was to combine the elements of both decentralized and centralized crypto exchanges to create a protocol that can enjoy its unique upsides while eliminating inefficiencies. Currently, centralized exchanges are seen as the primary mode of operations for services related to the trading of cryptocurrencies. Not just that, while being extremely convenient and popular, centralized exchanges are known to carry several risks. The biggest of all is its custodial nature. Due to the fact that these exchanges hold funds of their users for them between the points of withdrawing and depositing, those funds usually come under the risk of being fully or partially lost because of potential hacker attacks, as well as spiteful actors inside the exchange or regulatory interventions for that matter. In 2018, there were 3 airdrops of LRN and LRQ tokens for Loopring holders who had a minimum of 100 coins. The second version of the protocol was released exactly a year after the first version. The upgrade included a more efficient ring settlement, additional ways to create orders, and a new fee model. In December 2019, Loopring 3.0 was released. This was the first ZK rollup decentralized exchange protocol on the Ethereum mainnet. In December 2020, the team launched Loopring Exchange v2, based on the Loopring Protocol 3.6. This period also saw the launch of the Loopring wallet. As of Q3 of 2021, Loopring supports NFT minting, trading, and transfers directly on L2 for both ERC 721 and ERC 1155 token standards. Loopring Smart Wallet is deployed on Ethereum and Arbitrum. Based on historical data, the Loopring token LRC suffered a significant knock in 2018. Prices fell in April after reaching an all-time high of $2.19 on January 9, 2018, decreasing until 2018 and 2019. By early 2020, the coin price had dropped to $0.0225, just under the all-time high of $0.019861 set on December 18, 2018. However, following the DEX's beta debut, value started to rise significantly, and the LRC coin traded for $0.087895 at the start of June 2020, up almost 300% during the first half of 2020. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of LRC today is $1.94 with a 24-hour trading volume of $188,244,599. The current coin market cap ranking is number 53 with a live market cap of $2,573,742,455. It has a circulating supply of 1,328,603,658 LRC coins and a max supply of 1,374,513,896 LRC coins. LRC is gearing itself for a possible bullish rally in the coming days. The crypto might go beyond its resistance level and reach the bullish price if this happens. Of course, this is most likely to occur if the bullish market continues to reside with LRC. The Loopring price prediction and technical analysis suggest that the Loopring price will reach an average trading price of $3. The LRC's coin expected maximum price and minimum price levels will be $3.70 and $2.80 respectively, as per crypto experts Loopring's price prediction. If this bullish trend continues, Loopring will reach $15 by the end of 2022. Moreover, the first half of 2022 is going to show fast growth up to $20. Then this rise will slow down, but no significant falls are expected. With upcoming partnerships and developments, reaching $15 is quite optimistic in the price point of view, but undoubtedly feasible for the near future. The Loopring protocol has never stopped evolving and deploying new features. The community is constantly growing, and the entire crypto space awaits new partnerships. After all, it's worth remembering that for a network struggling with high transaction fees and low scaling perspectives, such as Ethereum, the Loopring protocol can change the way future decentralized exchanges are developed. It's always important to remember that cryptocurrency investments are risky and can lead to loss. However, the Loopring protocol has a strong and active community. Also, the team works constantly on releasing new features on the Loopring ecosystem while also focusing on new partnerships. Active cryptocurrency projects, such as the Loopring protocol, deserve analysis. As it is an active project with grand plans for the future, Loopring could prove to be a good investment. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Loopring token? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a good day, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.